Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, this is Nikhil Jagtap and our today's topic is Python program to safely create a nested directory. Here are our group members Gautam Patel, Nauj Bode and me Nikhil Jagtap, and our project guide is Jadoo Madam and our mentor is Survase ma'am. Introduction. File manipulation is one of the most important skills to master in any programming language, and doing it correctly is of utmost importance. Making a mistake will cause an issue in your program, other programs running on the same system, and even the system itself. Possible errors can occur due to the parent directory not existing, or by other programs changing files in the system at the same time, creating something that is called a race condition. In this project, we will see how to create subdirectory, nested directory in the Python in the safe way. Here is example 1 using pathlib.path.emkdir. For Python 3.5 and above, you can use pathlib.path.emkdir. Here is short program or code. From pathlib import path in bracket your path. Here is root directory B and dot make directory mkdir in bracket parents is equal to true exists OK is equal to true. You should provide the full path, absolute path of the directory. If the directory already exists, the above code does not raise an exception. Here is example 2 using os.makeDirs. For Python 3.2 and above, you can use os.makeDirs. Here is short code. Import os.makeDirs in bracket your absolute path or directory path. You should provide the full path, absolute path of the directory, not read to path. If the directory already exists, the above code does not raise an exception. Example 3 using distutils.dir-util. Here is another code. Import distutils.dir-util.makepath mkpath in bracket your absolute path. You should provide full path of the directory. If the directory already exists, the above code does not raise an exception. Here is our last example, raising an exception if directory already exists. Here is also code you can see. If the directory already exists, the file exists error is raised. Here is our conclusion. In order to safely manipulate files on the many different systems, we need to create nested directory for better manipulation. Thank you.